electric scooters or scooters that operate on fuel. Making a decision between the two is always a difficult one. But what if we combine both of them together? Would that be possible? If yes, then how? Retrofitting on bikes. In this industrial project, we as students worked with Parivartan Pvt. Ltd and converted a petrol engine scooter into a hybrid electric scooter. We started off with the safety training, in which we were taught about the safety measures that need to be taken when there is an emergency. We also learnt how to carefully use the equipments and machinery. After the safety training, we did the market survey for the various components that we needed to purchase. We needed a motor, battery and controller. Then, after comparing all the prices from several companies, we picked a company that suited our project in the best way possible in terms of cost and quality. After the purchasing of components, we started working on the calculations. We calculated the amount of torque that would be generated through the motor and battery. We also calculated how long the battery would last before charging it again. Then we proceeded with the fabrication part. It included welding, cutting, grinding and drilling operations. We then started assembling all the components on the scooter. We first removed the silencer so that we could get the rear wheel out, to then mount a flange on it in order to place the BLDC hub motor on top of it. Then we connected the controller, motor and battery all together. After this, we fitted the throttle and connected it to the controller as well. We faced some challenges while working on this project. The motor was not running smoothly, and so the rear wheel was also not rotating properly, so we had to dismantle it again. We used bigger bolts for fitting the flange this time, and the issue got resolved. Another problem that we faced is that there was no space to get the wires safely into the dicky, so we had to drill a big hole in it so that the bundle of wires could pass through it. We also wrapped up the battery and wires together with a plastic sheet so that the wires don't get winded up and clustered. Finally, we got the bike ready and took a test ride on it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Asbaan from BE Mechanical, and I am here along with my other three teammates, Ansari, Ansari and Jugal Jagtap Sir. And we are students of Rizvi College of Engineering, and we are here to do the final testing of our project Retrofitting on bikes. And now I would like my other teammate, Ansari, to give you an overview of our project.
So as you all can see, we have already fitted all the components on the bike, and now my teammate is going to give you a look around of the bike. So basically the right side of the throttle is going to be used when the bike is operating on fuel, and similarly the left side throttle is going to be used when the bike is operating on the motor and battery. So this is going to be our battery, which is connected alongside the rear wheel of this bike. Now I'll be showing you the controller. So this is the controller, and this is the wire setup, and this is the switch.
Now what we are going to do is, we will run this vehicle on the fuel engine, and then we will going to switch it on the EV. So let's see how it's going to get work.
3.
So now if you want to turn your vehicle into an EV, so the only thing which you want to do is, you just have to turn on this switch. Now I'm going to run this vehicle on EV. So here you can see the throttle from which this is going to run.